I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious agua fresca. It's a pineapple kiwi passion fruit. I know you guys are going to love it, and it's perfect for this hot weather. So let's get started. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, lemons, kiwis, passion fruit pulp that you could find in any supermarket, a pineapple, water, and ice. This is everything you need for this delicious pineapple kiwi passion fruit lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. I'm adding my sugar here. I am going to add my water, and then let's take it to the stove and start making the simple syrup. Okay, my friends, we're gonna start making our simple syrup. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes before the sugar has dissolved completely. When this is done, I'll show it to you. This is how we make the simple syrup. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, the sugar has dissolved completely, and now I'm going to turn off the stove, and I'm just going to let it rest until it's completely cooled down, so when we start using it. I have my lemons and my kiwis, and I want to start with the kiwis. I want to start taking all the skin off the kiwi, but making sure that I don't take too much pulp out. I'm gonna continue with the rest one by one until I'm completely done. Now let's take it and let's rinse them really good, making sure that we rinse the lemons really good because they are organic from my yard. Now here I have the lemon, and I want to show it to you. It's really, really juicy. I'm going to go ahead and start taking the juice out of this lemon. Look at this. It has so much lemon. We actually just need 1.5 cups. Look at this. The lemon is done. This is done. Now I want to continue with my pineapple. This is how I start cutting my pineapple, so it's nice and steady and it doesn't move, slide from one side to another. And now I am ready to start removing all the skin. Be careful and take all the skin off. Just make sure that you don't take too much of the pulp out. After that, I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half. Cut it in 4 pieces, and I want to show you how I take the core of the pineapple off. Like that, you don't take too much of the pulp out. This is just the core that I'm removing from the pineapple. Let me show you this other one. It's so easy, it takes time, but you know something? This agua fresca comes out so delicious and refreshing. Here, I'm just cutting my pineapple in cubes, just like this. I want to show it to you, just like that. I'm going to continue. Now I'm done with the pineapple. I'm putting in this little plate, and I'm going to reserve it aside. I have my kiwis here, and I'm going to just be slicing them for the decoration, and I'm going to add them to this plate. Now here I have the cup of the blender, and to this I'm going to start adding my lemon juice. I'm going to start adding 2 big spoons of the passion fruit and the syrup. all this, we're gonna go ahead and blend it just for a little bit. It really doesn't take too long because the seeds really release all the flavor. Now here, what I'm going to do is run it through a sifter, making sure that no seeds go in the juice. We don't want any of those seeds in there. So just take your time, be moving it from one side to another. We want to get all that juice out. Just like this. Take your time and do it. And here, all the seeds are behind. This we're going to throw away. And we're just going to be adding our water, adding our pinch of salt. And let's see how this came out. This is perfect. Okay, this is done. Now I am ready to start adding ice to my pitcher, adding the kiwi, adding all the fruit in there. I want to add some more ice because I want this agua fresca to be really, really cold. I'm adding the little cubes of the pineapple, and I'm going to just go ahead and add some more passion fruit pulp and some more ice. And now I am ready to start adding the lemonade that we created. Look at this. The colors look so beautiful, so bright. This just looks so amazing. Now here I have my cups ready, and I'm just adding the lemon juice here. And look at this. Look at the colors. They look so perfect. They look really amazing. I can't wait to taste it. Now I am just ready for the presentation. But look at this. Okay, this is done. My friends, I am done with this pineapple kiwi passion fruit. This just came out amazing. It looks so beautiful. But this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. I wish you were here to enjoy it with me. With this hot weather, this is a perfect agua fresca. Excuse me. Definitely. All those flavors, they're just amazing. The pineapple, the kiwi, and of course the passion fruit. And these passion fruits are organic from my yard. Well, this is a perfect agua fresca for this summer. I hope you could try it, make it at home, enjoy it with your family, your loved ones. They're going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Why not? Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did already, don't push it again so it is activated. And whenever I make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are notified. I want to say thank you so much for playing this video and the rest of the videos I have. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious agua fresca.
Bye-bye.